Welcome to AssistEdge RPA how-to video series. In this video, we will learn how to perform operations over the data table. DataTable assists users to store and manipulate the tabular data represented in rows and columns. Data tables act as a database or a simple spreadsheet holding temporary data in memory. AssistEdge provides the following capabilities to work with data tables. Create and add data to a data table, import data from an Excel file into a data table, extracting data of a data table, performing operations over a data table, and exporting the data table. In this video, we will understand the capability of performing operations like removing rows, updating, and sorting data of a data table. In this example, we will remove the last row, update the first row of the data table, and sort the price in descending order. To understand how to create, populate, and print the data of this data table, watch the creating and adding data to a data table and extracting data of a data table videos. Open the mobile table process. Let's first remove the last row of this data table using the remove row activity. The remove row activity deletes a row from the data table. In the tools section, click DataTable to expand the section. Drag and drop the remove row activity onto the process canvas. Place it as per your requirement. In the remove row activity, select DataTable name as mobile details and enter the row index as a default value, or select the row index saved in an argument of the row to be deleted. Note that the row index count starts from 0. In this example, since we want to delete the last row of this data table, which has 5 rows in total, enter the row index as 4 and check the is default value checkbox. As the next operation, let's update the price of the first row of this data table. In the Tools section, click DataTable to expand the section. Drag and drop the Update Data activity onto the process canvas. Place it as per your requirement. The Update Data activity updates the values in an existing data table. Select data table name as mobile details, row index as 0, which is the first row of the data table, and check the is default value checkbox and provide the row index from an argument. Column name, price, an argument is equal to the default value that needs to be updated or the argument that holds the value to be updated. Let's create an argument update price and store 189 in it. Now select the argument as update price in the update data activity. As the last operation, let's sort the data of this data table and display rows displaying price column sorted in descending order. In the Tools section, click Data Table to expand the section. Drag and drop the Sort Data Table activity onto the process canvas. The Sort Data Table activity sorts the data table data in ascending or descending order based on the values of the specified columns. Place and connect it with the last activity of the process. In the Sort Data Table activity, select Data Table name as mobile details, click Settings, click Add to add the column based on which the data needs to be sorted. In this case, select column name as price and direction as descending. Click Confirm. Save and test run the process. Verify the data table where the row has been removed, the price has been updated, and the data table has been sorted. That's all from this how-to video. In the subsequent videos, we'll understand the other capabilities of data tables. Thank you.